On the Woodpecker today, I'm going to show you how I sharpen my planer knives.
Presently, I'm working on my new dresser, but since I knew I had a lot of boards to plane, I decided to start by sharpening my thickness planer knives. Unlike a conventional thickness planer, which has 2 long knives, mine has 26 small cutters around the head of the planer. And now I have 26 dull knives. New ones cost over $200, and I couldn't find any professional sharpener willing to sharpen this kind of knives around here. I suppose it's because they are so small. You can see their size by comparing them to a quarter and a dime. But before I start to sharpen them, I need to find their cutting angle and their thickness too. Then I look around for a blade with the same thickness. I settle for my circular saw blade. It's the thinnest I own. I installed it on my table saw and I set the angle at 40 degrees. Just like I measured. Then I cut 2 saw curves on both sides of a scrap piece of wood. Then, to give it more spring, I cut 2 small curves under the one I did on the table saw. Here you can see the result. Those curves will help me clamp the small cutter to the block. I start the sharpening process by rubbing the back of the knives 50 times on the water stone. Then I place 4 knives, 1 on each corner of the block, and I put 2 clamps to hold them. After I check if they are straight by comparing them to each other. With 4 knives in this block, I sharpen them simultaneously on the water stone. They are pushed on the stone at an angle, so this won't dish out my water stone. After about 50 strokes, the knives are sharpened. But looking at them closely, I can see they don't have the same angle. But this will do. I just need to put them back one by one in their place and screw the dust collector adapter. Finally, I have a thickness planer that cuts wood instead of burning it. I hope this helped you, and we'll see each other again for another episode of the Woodpecker.